Hi, I'm Dr. Mary Jayanti, Vice Principal and Assistant Professor of English, Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli. I did my 4-day L&D course here at Bangalore, Asian College of Teachers. My experience has been really rewarding. The 4-day course has a lot of strategic structures to elevate every training session, and it has given me a kind of a strategic outline where I can get back and revamp and redesign my courses and modules which I had been doing for the past 15 years. So this L&D program basically has something for, or something or more than something for a novice trainer or a seasoned trainer, because it's based on the foundation and learning theories and learning methods. The way the 4 days are spread out are also very learner centric, and it has an andragogy approach which basically differentiates the teaching and the training methods. And talking about our trainer Anamika, a vibrant, exuberant person who is learner centric, and she makes sure that she delivers the entire thing which is necessary, and she makes it more participative, and her flair for language and the vibrance which she does is very, very inspiring. This has been a very rewarding experience, and it would really help me as a trainer. Thank you.